I found myself using all different separate products to get the look that I wanted, to address the elasticity, the hydration, the fine lines and wrinkles, the bouncy, the juiciness in the skin. When crafting the formulation, I'm like, we need to put all of these ingredients in one product. The Snatch It Face Ampoule has pdrn in it, which is really, really great for its regenerative healing properties as well as hydration. There's also this powerful peptide complex that addresses elasticity. And then lastly, the cica-exosomes. What's really interesting about this is exosomes, they act as carriers and help enhance other ingredients to be a little bit more beneficial. But what's interesting about ours, because they're cica-exosomes, they have centella and they have glycerin, and there's other ingredients in this complex. So the exosomes themselves, not only are they messengers, but they inherently have benefits themselves. It's kind of like the trio power of ingredients for this guy here. Another ingredient in the face ampoule it's called a cockabler extract. It's a thorny fruit extract. It helps with wrinkle smoothing and skin elasticity. The eye serum also has the same pdrn as the face ampoule at the same level, super efficacious, again, for that regenerative quality, renewing the skin, hydrating and soothing. And it also has jeju hydrangea, which I'm like super pumped about. It's hydrangea, but derived from an island off of Korea. This flower that's indigenous to that area is really, really great for wrinkle improvement, for elasticity, as well as hydration. Some additional ingredients that we didn't touch on. One is ectoin. Ectoin is a really, really powerful reparative ingredient. And it's particularly important for the under eye area because we know that's where the skin is the most thin and it's super, super delicate. So having ectoin as a key ingredient also really, really helps with the skin barrier repair. The last ingredient is D-phytogen, which is a 6-legume fermented complex, and that really aids in hydration, brightening, and smoothing as well. What's really special about the eye serum, there's almost this dual peptide complex. So aside from the powerful guy, we have another peptide complex that has a low molecular weight. And what this does, it really, really helps with wrinkle lines. So think like expression wrinkle lines. And so that's like really powerful, and you really want that around the eye area.
This is Snatch It Face Ampoule, and I usually like to use this after my lighter weight serums.
I typically will rotate with a retinol like every other night or 3 times a week. So depending when the retinol is being used, I'll use it either in the morning or in the night. I love it for night because it really gives this like beautiful like overnight boosting recovery. And it's really, really great because then it like leads you into the most amazing makeup prep, especially when you apply it again directly under makeup. This tends to be a little bit more heavier bodied in texture, so it's kind of my last step before I apply my moisturizer.
So I usually put Drip It on first, and then I go in with this for some extra hydration, just because I get a little bit drier in the winter time. And then I'll usually add Whip It right on top, which definitely like seals it all in. Snatch It Eye Serum helps brighten, smooth, and firm the under eye.
It's ideal for anyone with dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, kind of tired eyes. It's a great, like, rejuvenating, refreshing product.
I usually put this on right after I do my Drip It. I have a little bit of drier under eye area, and this really just like soaks up all the moisture into my skin, and it just feels really beautiful.
It's amazing layered underneath concealer as a treatment, and kind of giving that like juicy plump base before concealer is applied, as well as helping with the duration of wear of concealer, so you're getting a bit less creasing with the product.
What's really amazing about this applicator is that you apply it this way and only need a pea-size amount, and then you flip it to this side, and it actually has a really, really cooling and amazing effect underneath the eye. So you just go back and forth, and it helps with depuffing.
I hope to see pdrn definitely become the best kind of next technology in skincare.